Hello everybody. Welcome to the first adventure of 2025. I'm here with my family, well, two members of my family.
There's an entrance over there.
Is there?
Yeah, I just saw a door you could walk in.
Oh, wow. Out on a rail trail, getting some exercise. Beautiful day. We recently had some flooding. It seemed like it was raining for weeks. Go over here and check out, well, a little ways up, we'll check out the wetlands that were dry last year. Thanks for coming along. If you like biking and hiking and kayak fishing and anything outdoors, please consider subscribing to my channel. I'm going to stop right here and check this out real quick. Oh no, still dry. Evidently the flooding in the area didn't reach this far. Say hi, family.
Hi. Oh.
All right, let's continue. Say hi, Paige.
Hi.
Beautiful day. There's Austin up there. Okay, everybody, we're taking a snack break. Austin's eating his pretzels. You enjoying them?
Yeah.
Oh boy. Look at your hair, it looks perfect. And there's Paige. There is a lot of people out, but we happened to hit a dead spot along our ride, I guess. All right. There's my bike. All right. On with the ride. Well, it looks like we hit our first mini obstacle. A little bit of flooding. Okay, I'll get back in 1 minute with you guys after we get through this. A little trailside food place.
Red Fox place.
And over here you can camp.
Dad, but there's Red Fox.
Look for the videos because I plan on coming here
Dad.
and camping
Dad, but there's Red
after
Foxes.
riding the bike on the trail. Hope everybody's enjoying their day. Like I said, we've had some torrential rain, which seemed like was forever. finally broke. Now we can get out and enjoy our ride. Okay. Watch out for that. Watch out for that grate right there. Made it. We made it. On the bridge. How's it going? Pleasant people. Okay, everybody. We stopped to check out this cave. Super cold air coming out of this cave. Oh, wow, yeah. That is freezing. Wow. Very nice. How you like it, buddy?
I wonder what's under that big rock.
Which one?
That big rock that's like blocking that path.
I don't know. Beautiful.
Well, actually, if you come over here, you can see you can either go that way or you can either go this way. Dad.
Okay, we're back on the bridge. It's the Wallkill River right there. See, it's pretty flooded. Okay, we decided to come down off the trestle. Go check out the local shops. Okay. Beautiful town. Town's got some pretty little decent stores. There's a theater, the Big Cheese Cafe. Very nice. Check out that mural. Pretty cool. Yeah, guys, there's nothing like riding a bike. Peace and quiet. You gotta give it a try. Totally worth it. He's hunting for fish. Look how still he is, waiting. Here he goes. Well, everybody, I decided to do the outro here. There was a lot of people in the parking lot when we got back. But thanks for watching. Thanks for coming along. Comment, subscribe if you enjoy the content, and see you in the next one.